guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. I have a guest with me.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Monica. I'm Nancy's best friend.
So when I was in the beginning of my video, I was going to originally be alone, but then she texted me, and so I thought maybe we should do a video together. So I thought I should do a Halloween theme, so we ended up doing cute scarecrows. So if you want to see how we created these looks, then keep on watching. I don't think we've done makeup together since we were in high school. And when we did makeup in high school, it was just like some glitter.
It was high school makeup.
Glitter, dark liner, and that was all.
Dude,
I did not do my makeup.
All the liner. So much liner.
Insert picture somewhere up here.
Right?
Contour. Since we're doing scarecrows, you want to do it dark because we're supposed to be out in the sun a lot. You want to do it nice and sun-kissed and all. I feel like we should answer some questions while we're doing this.
Yeah, like what?
I can find some questions.
Okay.
Well, we can do the best friend tag. So, what is my full name?
Mm-hmm. So you're just TonancySilvia Cack?
Yeah. Nah, you pick the question.
Okay. What is my birthday?
February 2nd?
Yeah.
Okay. It's because there's a lot of people that we know in the same month.
True.
That was hard to keep up with in middle school.
Luckily we don't have to. What are friends?
You?
That's it.
What was one of my most embarrassing moments?
I purposely skipped over that question.
Keep it PG.
Oh man, there's just so many.
Yeah, there really is.
But which ones was I a part of that were PG?
Not many. Okay. What's the most memorable one that you remember?
Man, I don't know. I mean, I remember Sid's most embarrassing one. Where we were all in front of your house, and we were all just standing there. And I always thought like he was like the cutest thing ever, and he did something and he just farted really loud.
Oh. Sorry, Sid. You're watching this.
And we all just laughed and like played it off.
Nothing happened.
I mean, like we all like, not like we didn't act like anything happened. It was just we all knew what happened. We laughed. We were like, okay, moving on. My son kissed enough.
Let me see. Yeah.
The nose.
Yeah, some kind of contour my nose. Do you want to brush with that?
What was my weakest subject in school?
I feel like it was math. Or science. Or all of them? Except for PE.
All of them.
But what was your weakest?
It was math and language arts. I actually was pretty good at science.
Really? Well, I figured science because it went with math, so I thought probably suck at that.
Does it? I never saw how they went together. Is that weird? I never saw how math and science went together.
It depends on how far in science you got.
Oh, wow. Since I like flunked school, basically, I didn't get very far in any subject.
Next question. What was my first job?
Weren't you working at a salon? Was that your first job?
No.
No?
I was working at Sprouts.
Oh, yeah.
That was my
I thought you worked at Orchard.
No, it was Sprouts.
I vividly remember a picture of you in your apron. You posted it somewhere.
It says Sprouts on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just remember it was green.
But I don't think we were talking.
We were. I don't think so either.
We've been friends for so long, but we
break up sometimes.
Yeah. It's always off and on. Alright, go for it.
Every now and then. What is my nationality?
You're like a lot. We were just talking about this too.
Yeah. Isn't that great?
You're American, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Didn't you say you were Irish or something?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Mexican?
Mm-hmm.
I remember talking about this. I don't remember what you said.
Mm.
So what is it?
Well, I'm a lot of things. I'm German, I'm Irish.
That one. The German one was... that was one of the ones I couldn't remember, but I remember you saying it.
I'm Hispanic. I'm like white and brown.
What is my favorite number?
It was your jersey number, right? Did you wear your favorite number?
No, my jersey number was 20, and that was because of Garrett.
Right. Is it 3?
It was 7.
Dang.
It's 7. It wasn't 7. It is 7.
So should I start with Asian?
Yeah. That'd be a good color. I like how I'm making you do this, and you're not an expert in makeup. And this is gonna be a first great video.
A great first video?
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
How many years have we been friends?
Oh shit. Okay, so since 3rd grade?
Nope.
Since 6th grade? 3rd grade is when we met.
Nope.
Yes?
Nope.
Yes?
Nope.
Yes?
Nope.
Yes?
No.
5th grade?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because I didn't go to Rose Drive until 5th grade. That's when we met.
But I didn't show up to the very ending of it, because you were there before me.
Mm-hmm.
So it was 5th grade? 5th grade? Alright, so I guess I was wrong on that one.
You didn't even say a number. You just we just argued about when we met.
Alright, so
Math.
6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Holy shit.
I've known you half my life. More than half my life. Get out of here. But we didn't technically become friends till we were in 6th, 7th grade, though.
That's true.
We've known each other for that long.
We've known each other since 5th grade. We became friends in 6th.
What year did we get married?
7th.
Yeah.
I was going in order. If you should have just let me finish.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, wanna bring it down a little bit more so they can see what you're doing?
No.
No.
No, because then I can't see what I'm doing. I'm coloring on my eyelids.
Coloring on your eyelids. Okay, I think it's your time for a question.
What size shoe do I wear?
Like a 9, 8? No. Really? What size shoe do you wear? 6, 5? I don't know.
You said 9.
What size shoe do you wear?
I wear 7.5.
Oh. So I thought because you're tall, you
I'm not tall, you're just short.
Who is my favorite Disney princess? I think you should get this one because it's something I do a lot.
They all sing a lot.
Belle.
What does she do? She reads?
Yeah.
Oh.
Girl, do you even know me? Are we even friends?
It's been a minute. You're making me have to think back. Who is my favorite superhero?
Superman.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Alright. These questions are getting lame.
I know.
Have I ever broken the law?
You want me to say that on...
You can say it.
Yeah.
More than
Haven't
that.
we all? Isn't that like a thing people do every day? I actually like how this ended up.
Let me see. Yeah. I am utterly surprised at your skills.
You know, my grandma said something.
About?
Like, we were talking about something, and I was like, I'm super talented. And then she goes, can you rinse off the dishes and put them in the dishwasher? I said, I have many talents. Dishes are not one of them.
What did she say to that?
She just laughed at me. Because she knew I was serious.
I don't like doing the dishes.
I hate doing the dishes, but I do them.
You know what when I hate doing the dishes the most? Like, still leaves food on their plate and then just put them in the sink. Like, why can't you just take 5 seconds to drop your freaking trash into the trash can?
Yeah.
Who do I miss the most?
Me. I'd have to say I mean, we were talking about all of our old friends.
Yeah.
So probably them. The group of them, not just one.
Yeah, I just kind of miss how things were.
If I could get any animal, what animal would I buy? What would I have?
Probably a giraffe. Monkey?
Yeah.
See, I thought so, but then you've been into giraffes lately.
My son.
Oh, that's your son. Oops. Oops. What is my favorite holiday?
Your birthday?
No.
Christmas. Is it Halloween?
Yep.
I love Halloween. Halloween's my favorite.
I feel like we've had some of the best memories during Halloween.
I remember when I would always hang out with Veronica on Halloween.
Bitches forget about me. Well,
you always had some plans, or you were throwing a party, or you were going to a party that we weren't invited to.
It's because I'm cooler than you. I'm just kidding. I feel like the last Halloween that we ever did together, I was grounded. So then you and her were hanging out, and then you guys came over to my house just to hang out because I could only go outside because I was a shithead back then.
Is.
I'm an adult now. I don't answer to nobody. And
You're
then my
still
mom
a
calls.
Have I ever had surgery?
Yes.
How many?
Oh shit. That was not part of the question.
I made it part of the question.
3? You don't even fucking know?
I just had to be sure.
I just fucking get.
Yeah, I've had 3.
What would be something I would want for my birthday?
The White House on the hill in Yorba Linda.
Yep.
That'd be a great birthday present.
Will you get it for me when you're rich?
Yeah. I watched a video of it.
So nice, right?
Yeah. I was showing my coworker. I was like, I have to have this house one day.
I told you that. You can't have my house.
I know. I was like, my friend showed me this house, and I was like, I have to have it. But she wants it too.
We'll share.
Sometimes I feel like we're just too good with sharing.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put some glitters on this. Wish me luck because I haven't used glitter in a long time.
What is my favorite healthy food?
Shit, do I know? We always eat junk food together.
I know. So, if your best guess, what do you think my favorite healthy food would be?
Sushi?
Sushi healthy?
I think so. Dude, I am living for this. I don't know any Scarecrow that would have glitter on, though.
The fanciest Scarecrow ever. Or the sluttiest. I mean, it's up to you.
You gotta go there, right?
I mean, Scarecrow's gotta get a little action, right?
Right, dude, I love this. It's a little too much for my taste, but I'm not completely hating it.
She said the level of extra is just a tad too much for me, but who doesn't love a little extra?
Yeah.
Me, I'm extra. Extra AF.
Oh, shit. Nah,
Perfect.
I'll blend it out. Hey, look, it evened out. Do you want a freaking eyeliner? Because that one's driving me crazy.
It's driving me nuts too.
Do you want one? Sure.
What am I looking at?
I don't know, I've never opened it before.
Is this one of those? It's one of those little rolly ones. It's not like a brush, it's a roll-on.
With her eyebrows. Oh, wait, her eyeliner.
My eyebrows have always been here.
Alright. I was looking at Pinterest for some inspiration.
Oh, my bad. Just slice you.
You're fine. Now I'm gonna do the nose. Don't really trust myself doing this.
Wow. My cheeks? I feel like I'm just doing more damage than good at this point.
To your cheeks?
Yeah.
Why?
Do you not see what is on my face?
Finishing touches to the best. See, if I feel like if I add freckles with this, maybe. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked watching this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let us know if we should make a channel together. Comment down below and let us know your answers.
I suck.
What?
I make videos.
Why?
Because I don't do my makeup correct.
It went in the wrong color! Oh no! You look so evil! Alright.
It's the lips, the red lips.
Yeah.